Human beings have only one thing they can take with them wherever they go in the world or in the afterlife, and that is memories. And so what makes a memory, or what invokes memories? Objects that have a history. So if you have pieces that have had a really active life, whether it's been with your ancestors or with another culture, you have that shared history, that shared experience, then it feels like home. It makes me feel like these are not just things that we purchase out of a catalog. You know, we're not just living within four walls. We're living someplace that we created out of love. There's a lot of my pieces all through the house. There's a custom door leading into our bedroom space. It's a solid core door that I veneered in Makassar ebony and then lacquered and put a barn door track on. And I also am heavily inspired by nature. The line of the horizon. I like things that are long, sleek, low, and most of my components are either from post-recycled content or recyclable. When I incorporate nature into my work, I feel like that's when I'm at my best as a designer.